Given question says solve the following equations, and the given equation is sine inverse 1 plus x minus 2 sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Then we have to find the value of x. Then x is equals to, and we have here four options. Option A is 0 comma 1 by 2. Option B is 1 comma 1 by 2. Option C is 0. Option D is 1 by 2. So this is our question, and in our solution what we will do, first of all we will take the given equation, which is sine inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So we will take this equation as equation 1. So if we put here sine inverse x as theta, so this will give us x is equal to sine theta. So let's take this as equation 2. Now equation 1 will become, if you substitute this value here, we will get sine inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sine inverse will be as theta. So here we can write theta is equal to pi by 2. And now, so here this will be as sine inverse. We have 1 minus x will be equal to pi by 2 added by 2 theta. And then we can put here in the terms of 1 minus x, this will be sine within the bracket pi by 2 added by 2 theta. So now, as you know, sine pi by 2, which is 90, plus theta is equal to cos theta. So now we can convert it as cos 2 theta, which is the value of 1 minus x. So further, we can put here 1 minus x is equal to cos 2 theta formula, which is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So now we can see here this 1 and 1 will be cancelled. Then we will have here minus x is equal to minus 2 sine square theta, and sine square theta we have taken as x. So this will be as x square minus x, minus and minus will be cancelled. So therefore we are having here an equation which is 2x square minus x is equal to 0. So we can take x common, so we get 2 minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So now either x is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So if 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, we will get x as equal to 1 by 2. So we have here two values of x. First is 0 and second is 1 by 2. So as we can see, in option A we have these two values, but we have to check the roots whether they are correct or not. So when we put on putting, this is our verification part, x is equal to 0 in equation 1. So we will get here sine inverse 1 minus 2 sine inverse 0, which is equal to, it should be equal to pi by 2. And if we put down here our value back, so pi by 2 minus 0 will give us pi by 2, or pi by 2 is equal to pi by 2. Then only this can be true. Fine. So this satisfies this equation. So 0 is a root, that is confirmed. But when we put here, on putting x is equal to 1 by 2 in sine inverse 1 by 2 in the same equation, 2 sine inverse 1 by 2, that should be equal to pi by 2. So now we can see here, this will give us minus sine inverse 1 upon 2, that is equal to pi by 2. And when we put down here minus sine inverse value of pi by 2, 1 by 2 will be as sine 60 degree. So that is pi by 6 is equal to pi by 2. So we will get here sine and sine will be cancelled. We will get minus pi by 6, which is equal to pi by 2. So these are not equal to each other. So therefore 0 is a root, but 1 by 2 is not a root. So therefore the correct option will be only our C option. Fine. So we can state here our answer for this question is option C. So here's the solution. The correct answer is option C.